Okay, so we're rekeying a multi-lock cylinder. This is the existing working key. Okay, what you do is you put the key in working position, turn it over, and turn your mortar cylinder upside down. Follow it through. Careful not to lose any springs or pins. We're going to dump these out. Save these, you can reuse them. Okay, I've got my new cuts written down, and we're going to go accordingly. And these multi-locks, they have an outer pin and an inner pin. So technically one pin is two pins. You put your inner pin inside the outer pin. Put it in the cylinder like so. Sits flush. And continue with the rest. Inner pin inside the outer pin. Sits flush. Inner pin inside the outer pin. Flush. Flush. Now keeping your cylinder upside down, replace it, the plug. And it functions correctly. Carefully, very carefully, remove the key so you don't pull the plug out. Put on your tailpiece. Check the key, and it functions. Check the old key. It's a bad key anyways, it's broken. But the key does not function. New key, like butter. And that's a multi-lock mortar cylinder.